Why are you here? It's not for New Babylon. That much is clear.
I'm here to kill the man that killed my father.
You know, I grew up outside of Jacksonville, surrounded by family. And then suddenly, I was all alone for years. When I got to New Babylon, they looked at me like I was an animal. But there was one person who refused to give up on me. She'd soon be Governor Bird. She gave me this very pistol. She said it came with a respect for order and justice. She taught me that no society can flourish without the law. That no crime, no murder can go without retribution. That man that killed your father, you say he's still here, on the island. Is his name Negan?